Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here doing a walk around with you on a 2003 Toyota Highlander XLE. Point of our walk arounds, transparency. Showing you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights features and options of the Highlander, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see both of those, plus view the original window sticker, get a free CARFAX report, get some financing options, or possibly grab a quote to ship the Highlander anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Toyota. So let's get to the walk around. All right, I'm gonna point as I talk. Good tread on the tires because there is a bit to show you on this 160,000 mile even vehicle. It's been on the road for 19 years. As you can see, there's some clear coat coming off here. Some chips that have been touched up, all fairly small. As you back up, you can barely see them. We could have fixed this stuff, but it would have driven the price up, and that would have taken away from an affordable vehicle that's going to treat someone well for a very, very long time. You can see there's a little ding there. It's hard to show. And we wanted to be able to offer that. Another ding here. A couple more here. But for the year and miles, this thing is in well above average condition. So if you're looking for a vehicle that's going to run for a good long time and take care of you and is inexpensive, this is one you might want to consider coming to take a look at. As I've said, showing you what might not show up in the pictures, which, as you can see, there is some wear right here on the seat that might not show up well in the photos. Like I said, somebody sat in this for 160,000 miles on the road. Being said, it's in really good shape. The headliner doesn't show in any of our pictures. As you can see, that's in really great condition. So is the top of the dash. No cracks or damage of any kind. But if you have any questions about the condition, interior or exterior, give Jennifer a call. Her name and number is at the top of your screen. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you next time.